This video will provide an overview of the inspection procedures for heater cabling and power distribution boxes. Periodic inspection is to help ensure the product remains in good working order and is safe to use throughout the life of the equipment. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, pliers, a 5/16" nut driver, and a 3/8" nut driver. Before you begin, find the user guide that came with your thermal remediation EBB package. Be sure to read it completely, including all the cautions and warnings. An electronic copy of the user guide is available upon request. If you need to familiarize yourself with the parts of the thermal remediation EBB 60 kilowatt trailer, please click the link in the upper right-hand corner of this video to watch our parts identification video. Before you begin, make sure the equipment is disconnected from the power source. To begin, make sure the cables are properly seated. The EBB cabling is a flexible cord set that must be visually inspected before daily use for external defects, such as loose parts, deformed and missing blades, or damage to outer jacket or insulation, and for evidence of possible internal damage, such as a pinched or crushed outer jacket. To check for internal damage, remove the screws on the connector and slide the cover back. Note that bent conductors on a plug can only be corrected by replacement. If there is a defect or evidence of damage that might expose the user to injury, the defective or damaged cord set needs to be removed from service. The cord should not be used until repairs and tests necessary to render the equipment safe have been made. Next, check all inside connections. Tighten connections to confirm torque values are as shown. All conductor strands should be captured in the connectors. Periodic inspection helps ensure the product remains in good working order and is safe to use throughout the life of the equipment. The following procedure should be performed every 3 months or 500 hours of engine runtime, whichever comes first. Remove the cover fasteners using a 3/8" nut driver. Retain the fasteners for reuse. Next, inspect the wiring, circuit breakers, and receptacles for signs of heat damage. Heat damage is shown by darkened wire ends, deformed slots in the terminal blocks, or charring. Defective parts must be repaired or replaced. If damaged, the box needs to be removed from service, and it should not be used until repairs and tests necessary to render the equipment safe have been completed. Now, check that all the connections are secure. Tighten connections to confirm torque values as shown. Now, verify that the receptacle lids and the circuit breaker doors are functioning and in place. They exist for your protection. Replace broken or defective parts. Congratulations! You have successfully performed important periodic inspections on your EBB distribution box. If you have questions about care, maintenance, or repair, or if you need to order parts, call us at 1-800-836-7432 or go to the Contact Us section of our website at thermalremediation.com. Thermal Remediation, the most trusted brand in bed bug heat treatments.